Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how the QC approved required to ship checkbox option is used in the Medfin application. That field is here. Let me show you. In the job order entry form, there's a field called QC approval required to ship. And if this box is checked, when a shipping order is created and this QC approved field is not checked, then the system will prevent the operator from creating the shipping order. So essentially, it prevents the job from being shipped until someone signs off the QC approval by box. Okay? And this box is security protected. So only a user with the proper access level, like a QC manager or QC person, can sign off this box. So let me show you. So for this example, I'm using job number 10637, and I'm going to go ahead and check off this box called QC approval required to ship. I'm going to save this, and I'm going to go into the shipping order module, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new shipping order. Since I know what that job number is, I can put it in 106. Okay, and you can see that there's a warning. It says job number 10637 requires QC approval. Please check and try again. So essentially, I'm not able to create the shipping order for this job 10637. All right, so what I have to do then is to essentially get in touch with the QC personnel and have that person sign off this work order. Okay, so in here, so that person would have to locate this job 10637 and sign off by checking the QC approved by checkbox, and there's a date and time and who signed off this work order. So go ahead, I'm going to go ahead and save this. Once I save this, I can go back into the shipping order module, and let's try to ship it out this time. Now, at this point, I can ship out the job order. So, this concludes the video on how to use the QC approval required to ship to prevent job orders from being shipped without prior QC approval signing off. Thank you for watching.